back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph and today we're going to be doing a bit of crafting. Been wanting to do a bit of crafting with you for a while because it's something that I really love doing. Love getting messy, love playing with paint, glue. Let's go. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe below. Thank you. We're going to start by making our own modelling paste, okay, because buying your own modelling paste costs a lot of money. So we're going to make our own modelling paste just using PVA glue, okay. This was £2 for a huge bowl. Baby powder and some white paint, okay. You do need a dish, doesn't matter what kind of dish it is, but you do need something to mix it all in, okay. I have got a bit in here I've mixed before, but to do this, told you I'm messy, to do this project that I want to do, we're going to need a little bit more, okay. So what we do, I have got a spoon. What I usually do is fill up the spoon, right, so it's one. I usually do about three. So 3 of glue, okay. Hope you can see okay. I'm still using my iPad. Right, 3 glues, okay. And then this is the where it gets a little bit more complicated because this doesn't obviously go on the spoon very easy. So I usually sort of judge a bit with this. Give it a couple of puffs, so you've got like 1, 2 puffs, right? You can always add some more. Makes a lovely smell, by the way. And then your white paint again. 1, 2, okay. All right. I am a very messy person, as you already know. Right, then we mix it all together. I'm going to mix it together and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not sure we've got enough. Not sure if I might need it a bit thicker. Right, I think it might be a bit runny. So if that's the case, right, just add a bit more talcum powder, okay. Mix it all up. I will show you. So I can't even do this without making a mess, can I? Sorry, everybody. Anyway, I've mixed it all up, right, and it looks a bit like this. Okay. You can buy modelling paste, like I said, from craft shops, but it costs a lot of money, and this you can make loads for not a lot of money. I'm going to add a little bit more because what I'm doing, I need it to be reasonably thick, okay. So again, just judge, depends what kind of that's better, not quite so runny now, it's better texture, okay. Mix it all up. I have put down some paper, as you can see, because I am a very messy person. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I bought this, right, from The Works, okay, for £1.50. She is a wooden ballerina. Very pretty. Let's just take her out of the packet. Cheese. She's very pretty. For £1.50, she's brilliant. Right, then what I'm planning on doing, okay, I have bought in my Wonder Woman bath bag, okay, I have bought some beads from the same shop, in The Works. I bought some sequins, got these, and these, and just some plain purpley ones. Also got some like diamante things, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. Don't know yet. Not sure. Anyway, right, here's my ballerina. Okay. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to cover her in my modelling paste. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to have to put on more than one layer. Okay. But I'm going to start by just covering her in some mixed media paste. Okay. I do want her to be quite textured. Just going to cover her hands and her arms. Okay. Like that. Okay. What I would say, while she's drying, I would put a cover on your mixed media gluey stuff, okay, because it will dry out, okay, and you don't want it to dry out too quick because you still got lots of work to do, okay. So put the lid back on, because it will thicken quite quickly. Oh. All right, and then we shall wait till she dries. Probably, I would give her half an hour, so I'll be back in about half an hour. Okay. Right. As you can see, she's nearly dry. There's a little bit in the middle that's still slightly wet, but it doesn't really matter because I have to put another layer on anyway. So I'm going to start working on her now. But you can see she's base coated. The reason you do put a base coat on, it just makes using other materials easier. It won't soak in to the wood, or if you're using paper or canvas, if you put a layer or a coating over the top of these things, then you will get, it won't soak into the material when you come to work on it properly. All right. Right, first layer is dry. I'm going to give her another coat. As you can see, she's all right. She's a little bit shiny, which is the glue that makes it slightly shiny. But I'm going to give her another coat, okay? And then I will show you what I'm going to do with the sequins and all my other little bits and bobs that I'm going to stick on her to make her look really pretty. Right, I'm building up the layers, okay? So with my modelling paste, I'm building up the layers. So she's going to be slightly 3D-ish, okay? Her skirt and her bodice, this bit here, is going to be even thicker. So I'm going to lay on even more modelling paste, okay? To give it a bit more texture, as you can see, hopefully. All right. You can see she's all covered in modelling base. Now this is where the sort of more fun stuff starts happening. Right, I will be adding some more talc to my modelling paste, okay, because I do want it a little bit thicker now, because obviously now the texture's coming in. You're not just base coating, you are texturing. So now I'm making a much sort of thicker paste, okay? Add some more talcum powder till it's the sort of consistency that you want. Add a little bit more glue, okay? I am just judging now because it is just sort of going with the flow a bit. All right, sort of much thicker consistency now, look, as you can see. All right, her bustier on her top of her dress, okay, and I am going to coat that with some more modelling paste. Rip off bits of tissue paper, just little bits, small and as big as you want, right? And I'm going to a bit more, and then I'm going to lay it on her bustier bit, all right? Like this. And get a little bit, it's a bit thick, okay, and just layer it on, okay. Lay it down just a little bit because at the moment she's got really big boobs. Okay, right, that's that part. And we've got to let that dry obviously before we can paint it or so I will be laying the sequins like this. Make sure you push them into the paste, otherwise they will not stick. Okay, and just layer them up. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay. As you can see, I'm just on my last few round her waistband. Okay, doesn't matter if they overlap. Start at the bottom, work your way up, okay, to her waistband. If you find your mixture's getting a little bit dry, just dab your thing in. I think that's a bit better. Okay, and that bit's done. I'm going to let it dry, and then we'll show continue with the next. That's the end for today. Hopefully you'll come back and see part 2 when I finish my ballerina. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye everybody. Bye.